Hello everyone, welcome back to our Wisdom Era online classes. My dears, have you seen this type of geometry box? Yes, we need this for the construction of quadrilaterals. You have all these instruments, is it? Set square, compass, divider, protractor, pencil, sharpener, eraser. Now let us start construction of quadrilaterals. How to construct the quadrilaterals by given measurements. Case 1, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Case 2, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Case 3, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. And another one case is there, that is fourth one, that is when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. And also by using some special properties we can construct the quadrilaterals. Let me explain how to construct the quadrilateral ABCD when 4 sides and a diagonal is given. Okay, AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Whenever we need to construct something in our geometry, we have to take a rough sketch first. Okay, rough sketch means that is not about a given measurement, just we have to make it one rough sketch. Quadrilateral, it is a quadrilateral, so 4 sides I am drawing now. Observe it carefully. 4 sides, bounded figure. Now we have to name it A, B, C and D. What they have given in your question. ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC they have given diagonal, is it? So now write down the measurements. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and CD is equal to what they have given, that is CD and AD. My dears, this does not have a same measurement just like 5.5 centimeter. It is a rough sketch. Okay, DC is 4 centimeter and another one AD is 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. They have already given in the question. Now start the construction by using your instruments. Scale. By using scale we have to construct the base first. Measurement of 4.5 centimeter, that is A and B. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now see the rough sketch. We know AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. First we shall take the 7 centimeter measurement from your compass and draw an arc from A as a center. Now take the measurement of BC, that is 5.5 centimeter, and with B as a center cut the previous arc. With B as a center cut the previous arc. We get a point of intersection there, is it? We get a point of intersection, that is C, and join BC and AC. BC and AC. Now we shall construct another part of the quadrilateral, that is AD and DC. Okay, we know that DC is 4 centimeter. So take the measurement by using the scale and your compass. First we shall take 6 centimeter and then construct again an arc from A as a center. Construct an arc from A as a center. Observe carefully and then again take the measurement of 4 centimeter and cut the previous arc with C as a center. Cut the previous arc with C as a center. Carefully you have to draw the arcs. Okay, with C as a center I have drawn a arc now. Then again we get a point of intersection there, means both of the arcs should cut each other. We have to get point of intersection. Observe carefully, it is very thin line is there, that is point of intersection is D, and join AD and AC. AD and DC. This is the quadrilateral which is required for us. Okay. Now this is the second question. Quadrilateral JUMP, and they have given 4 sides and also a diagonal. Just as the previous quadrilateral, you can construct this for yourself. Move on to the third one. Construct a parallelogram MORE, that is OR is equal to 6 cm, RE is equal to 4.5 cm and EO is equal to 7.5 cm. My dears, here they have given only 2 sides and a diagonal. Is it? And we know the property of parallelogram, that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we can construct easily the given parallelogram MORE. Is it? Now shall we start construction? Yes, my dears. First we have to take the rough sketch. Is it? Here RE is one side and OR is another side. EO is a diagonal. Okay. Let me draw the rough sketch first. Parallelogram. Rough sketch of parallelogram, that is MORE, and they have given the measurements there. OR is equal to 6 cm and RE is equal to 4.5 cm and a diagonal EO is equal to 7.5 cm. 7.5 cm. Next, we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So, OR is equal to EM, that is 6 cm, and RE is equal to OM, that is 4.5 cm. Now, we shall start the construction by using the rough sketch. Okay. Take your scale and draw the base first. That is 6 cm. Take the measurement of 6 cm from your scale and draw the base. OR is equal to 6 cm. Write the measurement there, 6 cm. And again we know that how to construct a half part, that is triangle first. Is it? By using the compass, take the measurement, that is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter, and draw an arc from O as a center. Draw an arc from O as a center. And now take the measurement of a diagonal, that is OE is equal to 7.5 centimeter, and cut the previous arc from O as a center. From O as a center, cut the previous arc. Again we get point of intersection, that is E. Now join ER and OE. ER and OE. Next we have to construct another part, that is OM is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Take the measurement 4.5 centimeter. Again with O as a center, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Next take the 6 centimeter as measurement by using your scale. Again with E as a center, cut the previous arc. We get a point of intersection there, that is M. Now join OM and EM. Observe carefully, at the point of intersection you have to join those two lines. So we have got a required parallelogram. Next, they have given construction of rhombus, BEST. They have given only one side and one diagonal. My dears, you know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That is the speciality of rhombus, is it? So you can draw it easily. Take the rough sketch and draw it yourself. Thank you, my dears. We shall see in the next